What's going on, you guys? It's Becca Switzer with Roof Sales Mastery and author of Diamonds in the Sky and my ride or die right hand paw man, Raleigh. Today I wanted to share with you one of my favorite quotes, which is by Vince Lombardi. And it goes, "The difference between successful people and others is not a lack of strength or in a lack of knowledge, but rather in a lack of will." And I love that quote because what it's saying is, the difference between those who succeed at their goals and the ones who don't, it's not a matter of natural ability or anything like that. It's simply a matter of a decision, a matter of will. How bad do you want it, right? Everybody starts from a different place. The playing field is never even. There's always somebody better, faster, smarter, more naturally gifted, at whatever it is than you are. And that's what makes it fair, because it's not fair for anybody. And so if you decide that no matter what the odds are, what the obstacles are, what it's going to take from you to reach that goal, and you are just absolutely committed to that no matter what it takes, that's what will is. Do you have the will to succeed? Or are you going to rest on excuses? Well, yeah, I can't do it. I mean, that person started 10 years ago. So, if I had started 10 years ago, I'd be there now too. Well, so you're behind. You can still do it. Well, that person just naturally is able to speak in front of people. I just get so nervous. It's not something that I think I can do. Okay, so they naturally don't mind speaking in front of people. You can get over that fear. How bad are you going to work for it, right? It's really about a decision. We're not talking about winning the Olympic long jump here or high jump or whatever. I don't know the track and field ones, right? We're not talking about running a 3-minute mile or something like that. We're talking about success in your everyday goals, right? How bad do you want it? What are you willing to do? Understanding that some things might be harder for you to do than the person next to you, before you, or after you. But if you have the will, you will find a way, right? There's that saying, where there's a will, there's a way. How bad do you want it? That's my question for you today. Please keep that in mind as you pursue your goals. Don't look at other people and find excuses for why you can't. Find reasons for why you can. Switzer out.